In this problem, a triangle ABC has been given, and inside this triangle we have a square, that is DEFG. Lengths are also given, so AB is equals to 5 unit, BC is equals to 6 unit, and AC is equals to 5 unit. We have to find area of a square DEFG, that is, what is the area of this square. Now to solve this problem, I will use the idea of similar triangles and Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle ABC, this length is equal to this length because both are equal to 5 unit. This means ABC is an isosceles triangle. So in this case, I can say both base angles are equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. So if one angle is theta, another angle is also equal to theta. So both angle is equal to theta. So I can say angle ACB, that is this angle, is equal to angle ABC, that is this angle, both are equal to theta. Now what about this angle? If this is theta and this is 90 degree, because this is a square, so this is 90 and this is 90. So this angle is 90 minus theta, and this angle is 90. So sum of this plus this has to be 90 because angle on a line is equals to 180. So this plus this is 90, but this is 90 minus theta. This means this angle is theta. Similarly, if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. So now I know angle AED is equals to angle ADE, and both are equal to theta. So these two angles are equal to theta. Now let us draw a perpendicular from point A on side BC. So this is the perpendicular. So AM is perpendicular on BC. Now if you remember, in case of isosceles triangle, perpendicular divides the base into two equal parts. This means M is the midpoint of BC. This means BM is equals to 3 unit and MC is equals to 3 unit because total length is 6 unit. So now I can say BM is equals to MC and this is equals to 3 unit. So this because in isosceles triangle perpendicular is also a bisector. So bisector of angle as well as bisector of this side also. Now let us consider DPMZ. So DPMZ. This will be a rectangle because this angle is 90, this angle is 90 and this is 90 from construction. So this has to be 90. So this means this is a rectangle. So this length is equal to this length. In case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So let us say this side is equal to A. This means this side is also equal to A. So DP is equals to ZM and both are equal to A. Now from symmetry you can also say if this distance is A, then this also has to be A. You can say that these two triangles are basically congruent triangle because this is common, this is theta, this angle is also equal because this is bisector. So this triangle and this triangle is congruent. This means this side is equal to this side. So PE is equals to A. Similarly, MF is also equal to A because this is a rectangle. So this is A and this is A. So now I know DP is equals to ZM is equals to A. This means this is A, this is A. And PE is equals to MF. This is A, and which is equals to A. So PE is equals to MF is equals to A. Now what is this total distance? DE is equals to 2A because this is A and this is A. So this distance is equal to 2A. Now this is a square. So if this side is 2a, this side is also equal to 2a. Now let us consider triangle ABM, that is ABM, this triangle. I can use Pythagoras theorem and I can calculate AM. AM square is nothing but AB square minus BM square. And if I take a square root, then I can write AM is equals to AB square minus BM square. Now AB is known, this is 5 unit, and this we have calculated, this is 3 unit. So 5 square minus 3 square and a square root of that, so this is 4 unit. So now I know AM is equals to 4 unit. So AM is equals to 4 unit, PM is equals to, so this is P and this is M. So this PM is equals to 2A unit because this all length are equal to 2A, and AP, this is equals to total 4A minus this length, that is 4 minus 2A, not 4A, 4 minus 2A. So this distance is 4 unit and this distance is 2A unit. So this is AP is 4 minus 2A. Now let us consider triangle ADP, that is ADP, this triangle, and ABM, this triangle. These two triangles will be similar. Why? Because this angle is common and this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90. So the first is angle DAP, angle DAP, angle DAP, this angle is equals to angle BAM, BAM, because this is common, and angle APD, that is this angle, is equals to angle AMB, that is this angle. So these two angles are equal because they are 90 degrees. So these two triangles are similar triangles. So now I can use property of similar triangle, that is BM. So this distance divided by this distance, that is BM by DP, is equals to this distance AM divided by this distance AP. Now BM is known. What is BM? This is 3 unit because this is half of total. 6 is total, so half is 3 units. So 3. And DP is what? DP is A. So this is A. AM we just calculated. AM is equals to 4 unit. And AP we know that is 4 minus 2A. So from this I can calculate value of A. So if I cross multiply, this becomes 12 minus 6A is equals to 4A. So from here I can write A is equals to 12 by 10, which is equals to 6 by 5. So if I know A, I can calculate area of this square. So side length is 2A. So side square is the area square. So 2A square and A is 6 by 5. So 2 times 6 by 5 whole square, which is equals to 12 by 5, that is 144 divided by 25. So this is the area of this square. So I hope you enjoyed this problem, and if you like my videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.